Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A01 Core and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to tap to the second from the right button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. As you can see, we are in 3 and 4. Let's pick this button once again and go to 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background now has changed to the longer one. So this is how it works. Another tap to the second from the right button. And we can move to 1 and 1 also. So this is the square one. And let's pick it once again to go to the full one. So now we have the full camera frame. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.